Hey writers! Welcome back. Today, before I start teaching our lesson, I want you to make sure you've got your most recent passion project writing out and you've already got your pen ready to go. That way, if you have some ideas while Ms. Ennis is talking, you can begin writing them down or making changes on your paper. So today is all about revising our writing. So we're going to be thinking of ways that we can make our writing even better, what you've already got started for your passion project. Let's get started. So today on your screen, you will see that there are 3 different ways that we can think about revising our writing. We can think about how we can add more, how we could cut unimportant parts out, or how we can further change our writing to make it even better for our readers. Today, you only have to pick one of these, but if you have time and you want to do maybe 2 or all 3, you can definitely do that too. I'm going to talk to you about them all, but you don't have to do all of them. You only have to choose one. Okay, so the first thing on your screen that we're going to talk about is how to rewrite our most important parts. So you'll see on my screen here, this was my letter to the Salisbury Zoo about why they should get penguins. And the first thing a good writer always does is they reread to see if there's some things that already jump out at them that they want to change. So I said, "Dear Zoo, I think the Salisbury Zoo should have penguins. They are so fun to watch. They look like tuxedos. They are interesting ocean animals. Sincerely, a penguin fan." So if I was trying to think, how could I rewrite an important part? I think my reason could be a little stronger because that's a really important part. That's why the Salisbury Zoo should get penguins. So instead of just saying they are interesting ocean animals, I decided to change that to they are great swimmers. This is a stronger reason for why they should get penguins at the Salisbury Zoo. So this is just one thing you can do. You can rewrite your most important parts. Let's look at another one. Another might be to think about questions your reader might have. This will help you add more to your writing. So I read my letter again, and I realized that maybe a reader might want to know, why are penguins fun to watch? Because I said they are so fun to watch. Well, why? Why are they fun to watch? So I decided I would add more by answering that question that a reader might have. So I added, they are fun to watch when they dive into the water. There we go. I've added more. I've given my reader more information on why penguins are fun to watch. And lastly, one way that we can revise our writing is to cut out not important parts. So things that we might have just gotten excited and wrote in our writing, but they're really not important to the reader. So one thing that I realized in my Salisbury Zoo letter was I said that they look like tuxedos. Well, I mean, I guess that's kind of a cool opinion that I have, but probably not important to why they should get penguins at the zoo. So I went ahead and crossed out the part that they look like tuxedos. Maybe when you look back at your passion project, you might see a part that isn't that important, and you can cross that out. So today, when you make your revisions, I would really like to see how your passion project is coming along. So if you would like to share your passion project with Miss Ennis, please send it my way. If not, I definitely would like you to share it with someone at home. And I know that they'll give you lots of good feedback about ways that you can make your writing even better. Awesome job, writers! Grab your pen and paper and start making your revisions.